Hey everyone, you know what today is? Oh my goodness, it is present day. You ready? Hey everyone, Cristin here, and like I mentioned, it is present day. Big box of stuff from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So we are going to be working on the Cup of Cheer quilt very soon, as soon as we finish 2 scoops. So look at, I feel so official. So this is a My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop shirt. I love it. I feel so official. It's very fun. So I already dug into my presents, but this is a good opportunity to make sure that everyone remembers what supplies that we need. So I got a really big box from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. And I think we might need to even do a little bit of a giveaway. So I'll talk about that too. So get rid of the packing material. So the first thing is our Cup of Cheer machine embroidery booklet. So the quilts all come with the booklet, and the CD is on the inside of the booklet. So you have to get the machine embroidery CD booklet. So you can see I already made lots of notes. I'm starting to prepare, planning our group project. So it's going to be fun. And the book is thicker than any of the other Kimberbell booklets. So it's a little intimidating, but I actually went through and made a bunch of notes, and it doesn't look intimidating at all compared to when you first get the booklet. I was like, oh my gosh. So if you're feeling that way, don't worry. In fact, I've heard of several that are doing this as their first ever Kimberbell quilt. So how exciting is that? I love that. So machine embroidery booklet, that is the first thing. The next thing is the quilt fabric kit, Cup of Cheer quilt fabric kit. So you can always use your own stash if you prefer. This is easy. I love it. And it's cute. Did you see the fabrics? Oh my gosh, there are, oh, and it's got a little, how cute is that? I hadn't heard about that. There goes the box. So it's got a cute little piecing thing to make. So the fabrics, like I said, you can use your own fabrics and figure out exactly what you want to use. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, it makes a little mug. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And I think something else too, because I don't see that. Oh, I bet you that's like a little mug, right? Cute. All right, so this comes in your fabric kit. And then look at these fabrics. So, oh my gosh. Have you seen the quilt designs yet? So don't forget, if you're going to purchase the quilt designs, make sure to use our sponsor's affiliate link. It is under all of the Cup of Cheer videos, the announcement video and this one. It will be under the fabric prep video that we will do together. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. So a lot of these fabrics go with the quilting designs that they came out with, and I am going to use the quilting designs on each block, and I'll go over what size we need and which design I'm using and if it needs to be oriented or anything like that. Oh my gosh, these are all so cute. This must be the backing, because it's, no, the backing is separate. Maybe this is the binding. Oh, you know what? It's more. Wow, there's so many fabrics. Oh, this is going to be fun and also a lot of prep work. So I will go over prep information very soon. I'm going to finish 2 scoops first. That is my big priority, is finishing up 2 scoops. I always like to completely finish a project before starting another one. And if you fall behind, there's always plenty of time to work on a past project. So I know a lot of people are caught up with 2 scoops and yet they're still working on spring showers or candy corn quilt shop. There's a lot of that. Great, you know, that works out really well. So very pretty fabric kit. I highly recommend it, from our sponsor, which is My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. We are in Utah. They ship very quickly. All right, the other thing is the embellishment kit. Oh boy, cute stuff. Oh my goodness. So we're going to be making a lot of embellishments on this kit. So each block has a little thing that is going to go with it. So there will be lots of embellishment pieces. So for instance, see, like this. So these will all be what I would consider to be embellishments because they're not the block. It's something that will go on the block. How cute. This is going to be so fun. So embellishment kit, machine embroidery CD, the fabric kit, the embellishment kit, and then I highly recommend the thread kit. So my girlfriend's quilt shop has the glide thread kit, or they also have the Hemingway thread kit. So either one will work great. I will add information on each video saying which thread color I'm using if you want to use the same. If you don't, that's okay too. I always say choose, so it's up to you, right? This is your quilt. So this has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 threads, nice colors. And under this video is a list of the threads in case you want to see if you already have all of them. I can see a couple that I already have. So you can check what you already have and get the thread kit from my girlfriend's quilt shop. That will be fun. It makes it so easy to not have to sit there and decide what thread colors for each one. And then the other thing that you want is a backing kit. So the backing kit does not come in the fabric kit. It is a separate item, so you want a fabric kit. I don't know off the top of my head how much fabric it is. I'm sure it's on the My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop website. It is the green swirly. If I had to guess, I'm not going to guess. I think it's like 1.5 yards for the smaller quilt, so this should be more. So I'm sure it's on the My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop website. So make sure to have a backing kit for your quilt. It does not come in the fabric kit. And then I got more Flexa Foam. Oh my goodness. Flexa Foam. So I think we should do a giveaway on this because I have like a lifetime supply of Flexa Foam. I actually need the project batting. We go through the project batting a lot and very quickly. So both of these are some other items that you are for sure going to want. So project batting, Kimberbell Project Batting, and we go through this like water. So stock up on project batting. And then the lightweight mesh cutaway. This is what we'll use in our hoop on almost all of the blocks. So we go through this quite quickly too, and I'm using the 12 by 10 yards. You would use the big one for big hoop items, and it does come in a big one. I have the big one too. So when I merge extra blocks together and use my big hoop, I will use the 20 by 10. The other thing that you want is the fusible backing. So we back all of our fabrics with the fusible backing to ward off puckers, and we go through this pretty quickly too. So these are really important items that you will want. There's a few others that are specific to a block, and I will go over those, but these three you will use a lot, and I highly recommend getting these from our supplier at My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So as far as the Flexa Foam, like I said, I have some. I have quite a bit of Flexa Foam. So I'm going to keep my original one, and I will do a giveaway for one of these. So I will give information on that soon. So Flexa Foam, we will use it in some of our blocks, but it also comes in the embellishment kit. So this is extra if you wanted to. So like on 2 scoops on the cart, the awning of the cart, we decided, oh, that would be really cute to have Flexa Foam in this. So we added some. So if you choose to add Flexa Foam to items, then this is what you would use that an extra for. Also those little the ornaments, I don't remember what they were called, the little felt friends maybe. I don't remember if that was what they were called, but we used Flexa Foam for those as well. So there's a lot of projects that use Flexa Foam, and so having some extra on hand is a really good idea, and we will do a giveaway for the extra one that I have. So those are the items that you want for Cup of Cheer. Like I said, we are going to finish 2 scoops first. We're actually super close. So 2 scoops, and then I think we'll do a 1-day quickie little project in between, and then we'll jump into Cup of Cheer. And we always start with all of the prepping. You can prep as you go. You don't have to do it all at once, or you could prep by project. You know, you could do it as you go, or you can do like sections, whatever. You'll see how we're going to do it. But anyway, I will go over how to prep your fabrics and get all ready for that. So this is just the beginning unboxing to remember what you need for the Cup of Cheer quilt. Oh my gosh, that's going to be so cute. Are you excited? I'm super excited.